The arts are an essential part of a Worcester Academy experience. We want to be the venue where you get to try new things. That means if you're walking in our doors never having touched an instrument before, we want you to leave us having had the chance to play in an ensemble or sing or work in our open studio or build a pot or be a part of our all-school musicals.
Some of the things I've done in arts at Worcester Academy are, of course, visual art, theater, instrumental music. I played the flute and also choir. I was a part of a ceramics elective, and we were able to go in the very cool ceramics studio we have here and create little bowls on the wheel.
I came into the Hilltop in 6th grade as a hockey baseball player only. I was nervous to go up on stage, to go sing out in front of a crowd of 300 people. And now as a senior, I'm able to do that with a ton of confidence and people still supporting me and supporting my growth as an artist. I am a member of our varsity baseball team, as well as the lead role in the musical The Music Man this year. I did a lot of photography, which was a big passion of mine.
I saw how tight-knit of a community the theater program in particular was, and it was so incredible, and I wanted more than anything to be a part of that. Our musical is an all-school musical, so it's grades 6th through 12th, and being an 11th grader now, it is so incredible to see the 6th graders and 7th graders and being able to help them and watch them grow as well as myself.
It's impossible to find a building anywhere on campus that isn't touching an art space. Warner Theater is a gorgeous building in the middle of campus. The Performance Center on our South Campus. It's a beautiful black box space, and it's a lot of fun. It's a very cool space. We're able to do a lot of interesting and transformative things with it.
The teachers and faculty here really supported me in my growth as an artist.
The growth from freshman year to now my junior year, I get to see like my self-confidence grow with each show.
I've grown as an artist, not just in like technical abilities, but also being able to express myself a little bit more. I'm able to show what I truly believe in.
What I want to see from all of our students is that they develop a love for something that allows them to keep that creative impulse and carry it forward with them into the world.